another useful way to use your ground elk. I'm going to make a little bit of a green chili with it. That's already pretty much browned. What I'm going to do is add some butter and melt it and use a little bit of flour to make a little bit of a roux. Wait till that melts. Depending on how thick you want your green chili. What I like to do is I like to use the whisk. It kind of makes mixing of the flour. Add the flour. Say probably from a tablespoon to 2. Make it into a roux. Then add your green chili. I have about a cup and a half of water with it.
Now, is that Anaheim chili, or is that...
That's Anaheim.
Oh, okay.
Mild Anaheim.
Okay, it's mild Anaheim chili that's been processed. So you just went ahead and cut that up in the blender, huh?
Yeah, I went ahead and... probably a little bit more. Add some garlic powder. And just stir and let it come up to a boil.
So we've got ground elk, we've got chili, got butter, flour, and you're going to make that in to a good breakfast. You stir it with the whisk. Okay, what are you trying to do here? Just go ahead and make it thicker?
Well, that's what the flour and the butter is. It makes it a little bit thicker.
Oh, okay. Now, can you substitute anything for the butter? Like, I don't know, coconut oil or anything like that? Or
use vegetable oil, any kind of oil.
okay. But you kind of want to keep it healthy, though, huh?
Yeah, well, butter.
I'm not saying butter's that healthy, that's for sure. It's not that healthy.
Yeah.
But, oh, yeah.
Mostly made out of vegetable oil.
Yeah. Yeah, so the coconut thing would probably be a little bit better, huh?
Then just probably add a little bit more different flavor to it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But this is probably the best.
This pretty much been standard for, what, 100 years or more?
Mm-hmm.
And some fried potatoes. Also, too, we have some biscuits. Let me see those biscuits. I'm going to have a heck of a breakfast this morning. Outdoors breakfast. Outdoors breakfast, indoors. So basically chili, fried potatoes, biscuits. It's a pretty good deal. Done with ground elk. Made with ground elk. Just a different way to use the ground elk instead of hamburgers. And, well, you can use it in spaghetti sauce, all kinds of good things. And it is definitely fairly healthy. Can't say a whole lot about the butter being used, but it's just one of those things. We use what we have here in today's economy and what's available to us. And I'm sure there's 100 different ways to cook something. This is just one way. It's very good. We'll come back here in a little bit and see how things have progressed.
Okay, we've had it simmering for quite a while, thickening up a little bit. You don't want it too thick. You want it a little bit kind of gravy.
About how many minutes do you think that'd take?
Usually it takes about, I usually like to let it simmer for about 10 minutes.
Okay, about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And then you stir it too to make sure.
Yeah, stir it, make sure you don't have no lumps or anything.
Yeah, well, you can see how that thing is definitely getting a little bit thicker. Okay, how's those potatoes coming along?
They're done.
Okay, they're pretty much done?
Yep.
Okay, how about the biscuits?
We're waiting on the biscuits.
Alright, yeah, they're getting there, almost. Alright, we'll be back.
Well, it looks like everything's ready. I got a couple of eggs. And then we're going to have some potatoes. We get a couple of biscuits.
Eggs, potatoes, biscuits, and
And the green chili.
elk green chili. Well, that's one heck of a breakfast. That's going to taste good. Man, oh man. I get spoiled. No wonder I got a couple extra pounds on.
There you go.
That looks great. Man, this is a life. I'll tell you what. Getting spoiled by my wife. She's a good woman and I love her very much. I love you, honey. Okay. Now that I got all the preliminary things out of the way. Elk chili. I'll tell you what. It's pretty good. Biscuits, potatoes, eggs, some pepper. Let me taste. Very good. The elk flavor, chili flavor, everything there. Any herbs or spices that you want to add, of course, that flavor will be there. This is just great. My coffee, you know, a lot of times I make videos, I got a coffee cup there for demo or whatever. Don't have any coffee in it. I'm going to show you there's coffee in this one, okay? Courtesy of Colorado Bull Elk. Look at that. My respects to the Colorado Bull Elk that gave his life to feed our family. Thank you very much. We worked hard for you, honored you. Thank you very much. Actually drank some coffee in front of you guys finally, huh? After all these videos. Anyway, this is good food. Nature can feed you, can help you make money as long as you respect it, you conserve, and you take care of things. I hope you enjoy all of our videos, and I hope you enjoy this little breakfast sharing moment. Thank you very much. And yes, my wife's going to eat too. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. This is good stuff, babe. Thank you very much. All right, I just want to show everybody proof the wife eats too. All right, honey, how's the food? Pretty good?
Really good.
Okay.
Very good.
Well, thank you very much for cooking, and thank you for everything that you do. Love you. Bye.